Hi guys, let's prepare jollof rice without oil. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's get started. Okay, so in a clean pot, I'll add my chicken. Okay, so this is chicken breast, and I'll go ahead and add my garlic and ginger, and I'll add my onions, my mixed spice, right? All pepper spice, my salt. I realized the pot was too small, so I transferred it to a bigger pot rather. So I added a little water, okay, and then I covered it to simmer, right? Okay. So I kept checking it time by time. Okay, so I let all the water dissolved, okay, and then the oil in the chicken, I used that oil to prepare the jollof. So I added my powdered pepper, my tomato paste, and then you see the procedure. Okay, so I add some shrimp cubes, and then my salt to taste, and then my jollof mix. All right, so that's it. And I added my rice. This is quick, and very, very easy. And I added some pasta to it. Yes, and then I stirred it together and I added some water, right? Okay, so this jollof recipe, trust me, it's very easy, but it is so delicious. All right, so you can try this recipe. You can try it. So I tried. I kept checking it. Okay, so it doesn't burn. All right. So at this point, I'm sure I'll add the foil. Okay, so we need heat to cook the jollof right now, so I'm gonna add the foil to help it cook faster. Yes, so let's add our vegetables. Right, it smells so nice, guys. Very, very easy, very easy. All right, so try this recipe. Okay, try it and thank me later. Yummy, yummy. It is so yummy. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. This is very easy procedure of preparing jollof. Very easy. All right, so let's enjoy. Let's enjoy it together. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If it makes sense to you, my name is Dr. Rosie. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Take it. Bye.